Just by that initial understanding of the campus, how do you feel like it will compare to some of the global universities?
I saw कि लखनऊ की चिकनकारी का there are elements of it. I love how the daylight is included in it. It's not like air conditioned ही होगा पूरा और glass होगा पूरा. It is almost feeling like ये 100 साल पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी क्योंकि ईंट का भी look है. So it's genuinely very well done.
So, Mr. Ankur, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Welcome to this small but really ambitious campus.
No, I love the campus. यार. I was telling this to you before. दिख रहा है कि प्यार से बना है. बहुत बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
Definitely, but you know, as we have invited you, you're not here only as a guest, but you're here as like a stakeholder. So we really appreciate that if you could provide us with some feedback as to how we can, since it's only the initiation, we've just begun. It's only been a year, right? So, like, where do you see higher education, especially in the era of AI? Where do you see higher education going, and what is that one thing that you would like us to have, non-negotiable, that we should begin with?
I think the question itself tells you a lot about the culture that is being built. क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग ये सवाल भी पूछते हैं ना, नहीं यूनिवर्सिटी बना ली, क्लासरूम्स आ गए, प्रोफेसर्स आ गए, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. I love the fact that this is AI first and not AI by the way. Students need to get exposed to this technology. It is there permanently, and the only recommendation that I would have is the 4 years that they spend here, make sure that they leave this place as a student and not as a graduate. क्योंकि ग्रेजुएट का माइंडसेट आना ना बड़ा आसान हो जाता है कि अब पढ़ाई खत्म हो गई, अब हम जॉब करेंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे और जिंदगी सेट है. इट्स गॉन, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली गॉन. हर 5 साल में दुनिया इतनी बदलती रहेगी that you will have to prepare yourself for a new job and a new industry and a new way of working. So if you can teach students that and expose themselves to that mindset, that I think is the best contribution you can make.
Well, my next question now, I'd like to add some context as well. So I'm a graduate in BSc from physics as well.
Oh really?
I've done it from a University of Victoria in Canada. You also have some experience of the West.
Yes.
I'd just like to understand from you personally, would you rather have gone there in your UG, or would you still like to have, or do you feel like there was an advantage of having a UG in India and then going there for your
It's a
masters?
great question. Yeah, that's genuinely a great question. If you ask me personally, and I hope I'm not biased, I do think that going for my PG or my masters was a better decision.
Right.
क्योंकि UG in India, particularly Delhi University, is super intense. Right? तो वो आपको हर एक चीज़ के लिए तैयार कर देता है. And you're not just independent financially, academically, but you also make friends in a great manner.
Right.
You also understand your own self, because वहाँ जाके कम से कम I felt it. I don't know if you felt it. I did feel कि ये मेरा देश नहीं है.
Right.
मेरे लोग नहीं है. Of course, it taught me a lot, but I did feel that I had to work a lot more to be part of that.
There is that culture shock.
There is.
Every time that you go there, it's just like new.
Exactly. कि कैसे है, कहाँ है. मुझे अभी भी याद है हमारी पहले महीने में ही एक क्लासरूम थी, because I was a PhD student, so we had our own desk and so on. और एक स्टूडेंट अपने डेस्क पे पैर रखकर प्रोफेसर से बात कर रहा था. ये कैसे होता है. तो so if I experienced that in my UG, I think मैं बहुत ही अलग इंसान बन जाता. So I'm glad I had this foundation of what is culturally art, and then went there with spreading my wings, attitude and mindset, and that helped a lot.
So I won't take too much of your time, please. Right? My last question from you is, since we talk about globalization, being a global citizen, how would you say that, looking just by your initial, look and I hope that you've had a tour of the campus as well.
Yes, I did.
So just by that initial understanding of the campus, how do you feel like it will compare to some of the global universities?
I truly feel that there is nothing that makes this any shade lesser than what I have seen globally. I have to compliment you on 2 things. One is, of course, the audacity of the scale, क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो पहले ही साल इतना बड़ा एक विजन बनाते हैं and then you're executing it.
Right.
The pace at which I was told कि 10 महीने में बना है जो हम अभी experience कर रहे हैं. Like, how do you even pull it off? क्योंकि जब उन्होंने 10 बोला, मतलब 10 साल लगे, बोला नहीं 10 महीने. Like, wow. But the third, and perhaps the most important, is how you have brought in a modern look and still combining it with what this city and this country has to offer.
Right.
So I saw कि लखनऊ की चिकनकारी का there are elements of it. I love how the daylight is included in it. It's not like air conditioned ही होगा पूरा और glass होगा पूरा. It is almost feeling like ये 100 साल पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी. क्योंकि ईंट का भी लुक है. So it's genuinely very well done, and I really hope that the infrastructure and the student intellect complements each other. I really hope you continue living and breathing this vision, because it's a bold vision and we definitely need it in our country. And I wish you absolutely the best in all ways possible.
I really appreciate your time, sir, and I really hope that we can meet again. We can have you more on the campus and interact more with the students like you've done today. I really appreciate the time that you have given today, and it has been really, really insightful for me as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.